It's a new day. Every day gives us an opportunity, new chances to begin again. Yesterday is gone, and no matter what, today we can start again. In this morning flow, we will dance to the rhythm of the breath, stretch our bodies, and get ready for this brand new day. From the mountains at Big Bend in South Texas to you. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Legs crossed, shoulders down and back, with the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We open up our session by bringing the arms up as we inhale. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, hands down. Keeping the hands on your mat as you gently move your head side to side, stretching both sides of your neck. Maintain the chin up, and then bring the chin down, following the collarbone side to side. Bring the left hand to the right knee. Open and twist your torso over to your right side, extending your right arm all the way up to the sky. And then twist and open to the left side. Extend your arm up and over. And then gently come back to center. Extend your legs forward in Dandasana, seal the space between the inner thighs, flex your feet. Inhale, bring the hands up, rising up. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Maintain the shoulders down and away from the ears as you extend your arms towards your feet. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back, bring the crown of the head up. Crossing the right leg over the left one. Hug your leg, twist and open to your right side. Gaze over the right shoulder as you fully extend your right arm behind you. Reaching up to the sky, take a deep breath. And breathe out, come back to center. Cross the left leg over the right one, hugging your leg. Twist and open to your left side. Extend behind you. And then reach up to the sky. Inhale deeply. Exhale, come back to center. Extend both legs in Dandasana. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Chin to chest, round up your back, and vertebrae by vertebrae lift up, and crown of the head pointing up to the sky. Gently begin to find 4 points, aligning your shoulders to your wrists and your hips to your knees. Move your hips around in circles in one direction, making sure that you flow in the opposite direction as well. Place your left hand in line with your nose down on the mat. Inhale, extend your right arm straight up to the sky. As you continue breathing nice and gently, exhale, bring the right hand down. Inhale, left hand goes up. Continue breathing nice and gently. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Right hand goes up to the sky as you inhale, and as you exhale, thread the needle, extending your left arm over your ear. Looking up to the sky, reaching to the left side. Take a deep breath. Breathe out, bring it back to 4 points. Inhale, left hand goes up. Exhale, thread the needle. Right arm over your ear. looking up to the sky. Inhale, exhale, bring it back to tabletop. Walk the hands forward, gently rest your chest down on the ground in puppy pose. Place the chin over the mat. Look straight forward. Gently walk your hands back. Engage your toes. And let us find our first downward facing dog. Walk your dog by flexing one knee at a time. Bring it back to center. Inhale, right leg goes up to the sky. Exhale, bend the knee and circle the knee around. Move in one direction and then make sure you flow in the opposite direction. Extend your right leg up and bring the right foot down. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, bend the knee. Begin to circle the knee around, flowing in one direction, and then make sure that you flow in the opposite direction. Extend your leg and then bring the left foot down. Inhale, right leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. As you continue breathing, make sure the front knee is deeply bent. Inhale, hands come down. Exhale, take your right leg back. Take a deep breath. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, release your toes in cobra. Engage your toes, and as you exhale, downward facing dog. Walk your dog here for a couple of breaths. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. Deeply bending the front knee. Maintain the chest open. Inhale, bring the hands down. Exhale, step back with the left leg. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga, bring the chest down. Release your toes. Inhale, in cobra. Engage your toes, downward facing dog. Continue breathing as you walk your dog. Remember to relax your head and your shoulders. Inhale, right leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, bring the hands up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, palms together, prayer pose. Exhale, twist to your right side. Bringing your elbow against your knee, open up your chest and looking behind you. Continue breathing. Inhale, extend your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Step back with the right leg. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, release your toes in cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, palms together, prayer pose. And as you exhale, twist your chest to the left side. Open up the chest, looking behind you. Continue breathing. Inhale, extend your arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down to the ground. Inhale, step back with the left leg. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, release your toes. And exhale, tabletop position. Flow your hips in one direction. And then moving in the opposite direction. Bring it back to center. Walk the hands forward, bring the hips down in cobra. And exhale, pass through child's pose. Inhale, coming forward into cobra, chin up. Exhale, glutes down towards your heels, passing through child's pose. Inhale, forward. Engage your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Walk your dog for a couple of breaths. And let's get ready to flow again. Inhale, right leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, arms go up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. Rest in the back heel on the mat. Open up your arms in warrior two. Inhale, flip the front palm. Reach forward. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Continue deeply bending the front knee. Inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, extended side angle, placing your right arm on top of your right thigh, fully extending your left arm over your ear. Bring the hands down to the ground, peel the back heel off the mat. Inhale, rise up one more time. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, palms together, prayer pose. Exhale, twist to your right side. Looking over the right shoulder behind you. Inhale, bring it back to center. Extend your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Step back with the right leg as you inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale in cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, step through. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, sink the hips low. Resting the back heel on the mat as you inhale. And as you exhale, open up your arms in warrior two. Inhale, flip the front palm, reach forward. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Continue breathing. Inhale, left arm over your thigh. And exhale, extend your right arm over the ear, extended side angle. Inhale, bring the hands down to the ground, peel the back heel off the mat. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. Palms together, prayer pose. As you inhale, and as you exhale, twist your torso to the left side. Continue breathing. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down to the ground. Inhale, step back with the left leg. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, tabletop position as you flow the hips around in circles. Remember to take your time, moving in one direction and then in the opposite direction. Gently find a seated position on your mat. Extend your legs forward in Dandasana. Flex your feet. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach forward for your toes or ankles. Remember to keep the shoulders down, away from the ears. Move your head side to side. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back, and vertebrae by vertebrae, bring it back to center. Gently begin to lay down on the ground, draw the knees onto your chest. Reaching for the edges of your feet, find happy baby as you gently sway side to side. Extend your legs and bend for a couple of times. Cross the right leg over the left one, supine twist to your left. Extend your right arm and bring your gaze over to the right side. Switch, supine twist to the right as your gaze comes over to the left side. Bring it back to center. Give yourself a long, tall stretch. And when you're ready, find a comfortable position for our last pose, Shavasana. As we go into the silence, we slowly and deeply inhale, filling up our lungs with air. And as we exhale, we release any tension and feel our body, our mind become lighter and more free. And as we return to the activity of the day, we are ready to begin again. Bring your awareness back into the present moment as you extend your arms overhead, giving yourself a long, tall stretch. Gently begin to bring the knees over to your chest and sway side to side. Lay down on one side, coming into fetus pose, keeping your mind, your body, and your energy relaxed. Gently begin to find a seated position back on your mat in Sukhasana easy pose. Legs crossed, shoulders down and back with the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We seal our practice with 3 breaths. We inhale, we rise up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Inhale, rise up, palms together, and exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. May you always remember it is possible to begin again. From Big Bend in South Texas to you, Namaste.